We are here to help you. Sarah Krieger is a registered and licensed dietitian and nutritionist, and she's joining us now. So what do you recommend for someone who's just starting this? I'm going to eat healthy. I'm going to lose weight for the new year.
I'm going to do it. This is
I'm
our
gonna
year.
do it.
Absolutely. I totally recommend the Mediterranean diet to start.
I've heard that, yep.
Research backs it up too, which is really helpful. So if anyone is struggling with chronic disease such as diabetes or heart disease, there's a huge variety of foods to eat. And it's not short term. People can stick with this, be healthy, reach their weight goals, and have a healthy lifestyle.
So did you bring some examples of the Mediterranean diet?
Of course I did. Let's start with the beautiful colors. It all starts with a huge variety of fruits and vegetables, which is unlike a lot of other diets that are short term. Then we move on to whole grains. It could come from bread. I have some sorghum. I have a whole grain muffin. But the vegetables and fruit should be at least half of most of our meals.
And the fruit's okay, even though some people say lots of sugar in fruit.
It's not added, it's natural.
Okay.
And there's fiber, water, potassium, nutrients that we need that a lot of Americans are missing out on.
I bet you're right on that. Okay, and so what else is soup? That's part of it?
Yeah, so we're blending a lot of food groups together. I'm a soup fan myself.
I love soup too.
It gives you fluid, it gives you fiber, protein, and then the newest research is adding in lean red meat, which is a little bit different. In the past, only the fish has been accepted, but now we know that including about 3 to 4 ounces a couple times a week is absolutely nutritious.
Well, I'm happy about that because I am a meat lover. So what are some simple things that people can cut? And I'm thinking the whites, right? It's probably like white rice.
White rice, white bread. What I tell my clients is anything that you're consuming too much of all the time, probably fill in the blank, right? It's usually a sugar-added product, fat added, salt added, and when we're eating too much of those, of course, we're not eating the nutrients that we need.
Let's talk about like that glass of wine. Can that be included in the healthy? That's part of the Mediterranean diet, I think.
It is.
Oh, good.
That's why I like this diet as well. Yeah, I'm a wine lover as well. Of course, moderation with everything, and for people who don't drink, they don't have to add it in if they don't already drink it, but having, you know, 1 glass for women, 2 for men, and I forgot about the social eating part of it as well. We're not doing this by ourselves. We're eating with our family, with our friends, with our children, our neighbors, and then the more social and longer our meals last, the healthier we will be. Let's
talk about yo-yo dieting or trying all these different diet trends, because I think people get caught up in that. They lose 10 pounds on this diet, then they go off it, then they lose 5 pounds on this diet. There's a danger in that, right?
Most of these fad diets are short term. They're very restrictive. If you tell me I can't eat some of my favorite foods and they're all right here, fruit maybe, we can do it for so long, and then all of a sudden, oh, I really wish I could eat an orange or a banana, and then we set ourselves up for failure.
Because that's what you think about.
Yeah.
I want that chocolate.
We're not following the plan. So instead, include all food groups. Most people who do are able to stick with their healthier lifestyle for the long term and control their chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease.
You're just going to feel better, right?
You will. You'll have the energy you need.
Thanks for coming in, Sarah.
Thank you.
Right. Take it away, Paul.
And now, Fox 13 Chief